I see the most common mistakes that people make when marketing an event is they don't use the online platforms enough. I think it's really important. I think for weddings, you may have an actual physical RSVP and an invitation, but it's so much easier for people to use wedding websites. And I think for corporate events, my favorite go-to is Google Forms. I think people nowadays are so focused on digital marketing, and it's quick to, you can open up an email and sign right there and say, yes, I'm coming, yes, I'm attending. And if you need any further information, Google Forms is really a great platform. But I would just use a digital platform. That's what I see people doing when they're making mistakes, is using paper. And it's the older traditional way of approaching it. And I just think digital is the way to go. If you really want RSVPs and you really want them on time, people are constantly on their phones, on their iPads. It's easier for people.